We keep hunting for healthy snacks online, yet the best ones quietly live in our own kitchen. And today I am making one of those, Bihari Tilkut. In Bihar, this simple mix of roasted sesame and jaggery isn't just dessert. It's winter's shield, full of warmth and calcium. Tilkut wrapped us in comfort then and even today. It's more than sweet, it's love that crackles. Stay with me and you'll be able to make it at home yourself. Let's start by roasting 2 cups of white sesame seeds on medium heat. No rushing here. Sesame is very shy. It slowly turns from bright white to soft golden freckles. Stir gently and stay with it. This is hands-on moment. 1 second too long and it burns. Once you see brown freckles here and there, it's almost done. Just 1 more minute. Keep stirring. Once you see uniformly brown freckles everywhere, it's done. Transfer them to a plate and let them cool completely before we grind it coarsely. If they are even a little warm, they'll turn pasty when you grind them. While sesame seeds are cooling down, let's melt our jaggery. Take half a heaping cup of jaggery with a 1/4 cup of water. Hear the sizzle. Stir as it melts. When it starts bubbling like golden caramel, you know you are close. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes for the jaggery to melt completely. Just keep pressing with the back of your spatula and keep stirring constantly at medium heat. While the jaggery is melting, take your food processor with the sharp blade. Transfer sesame seeds into the food processor. In the beginning, give few pulses. The idea is to grind it coarse, not fine powder. Think like sand at the beach, not a cloud of dust, because in the final product we still want that chewiness in our mouth. After 8 or 9 pulses, this is how it will look. It seems like a little too coarse, so we will grind it for a few more seconds, like 10 more seconds and it will be done. It's perfect now. We are done grinding it. Run between your fingers and feel the coarseness. Transfer the ground sesame seed in a plate. The jaggery has melted and it's bubbling like golden caramel. At this point, you know you are close, but we still need to make sure the jaggery syrup has reached at that perfect consistency. Take a few drops of this syrup. Slip it into a bowl of cold water. It should form a soft, sticky, heavy little ball between your fingers like caramel candy. As you can see, we have reached the soft ball stage and it's ready. If it dissolves, let it cook a bit longer. This stage is important to ensure proper binding of coarsely ground sesame seeds. Turn the heat to the lowest setting. Add all your ground sesame mix quickly. This part waits for no one. If you go slow, the mixture crystallizes before you can shape it. So mix jaggery syrup and sesame powder very thoroughly. It's like move like you are late for school, but stir like someone is watching. Spread a parchment paper on a flat surface. Do this step before you mix jaggery syrup and sesame powder. There is no need to grease the parchment paper because sesame seeds have natural oil in it. Pour the mixture flatly on the parchment paper. Moisten your hand a little bit with cold water and pat it gently and evenly on every side. Aim for roughly 1/4 inch thickness. Alternately, you can use a silicone spatula to make this part smooth and quick. Try to tuck in all the unfolded and frayed ends. It's perfectly shaped now. Let's make indentation marks. Diamond shape, square or rectangle, whatever you please. Don't cut all the way through. It's still hot and sticky. We are putting indentation marks right now when it's still warm so that later it's easier to break or cut it into smaller pieces. I am cutting in square shape pieces. You can pick your shape and size. It has cooled completely. This is when the magic happens. The mixture has set into crunchy strength. Once cool, break it gently along the lines. Break it into pieces from all the places where you have put the indentation marks. That breaking is the winter comfort cracking open. You can cut it neatly with a knife for a pretty presentation, but I have always loved breaking it with my fingers. Those rustic frayed edges bring back a quiet nostalgia, and the little crumbs falling remind me of the love I grew up with in India and the sweetness I have recreated here in my own kitchen. Every January 14th in Bihar, Tilkut is a must. One little piece carries the calcium of a full glass of milk, winter strength in its simplest form, and every Sankranti, Tilkut takes me back to my mother's kitchen. The warmth, the smell, the comfort. If this sweet means something to you too, you already understand. Thanks for watching. That's it. Until next time, stir with soul.